What types of accounts do you offer? What documents are needed to open a personal checking account? Can I open a joint account with someone else? Are there any fees associated with opening an account? What is the minimum balance requirement for this account? Do you offer any special promotions for opening a new account? Can I open an account online, or do I need to come into the branch? How long does it typically take to open an account? What forms of identification do you accept? Can I open a business account with you? What are the benefits of opening a savings account? Is there a limit on the number of transactions I can make each month? Do you offer any rewards or incentives for using certain accounts? Are there any ATM fees associated with this account? Can I link my account to other accounts I have with your bank? What happens if my account balance falls below the minimum required amount? Can I set up direct deposit with this account? Are there any restrictions on transferring money between accounts? Do you offer overdraft protection for this account? How do I access my account online? Can I set up automatic bill payments with this account? What kind of security measures do you have in place to protect my account? Can I order checks for this account? Do you offer mobile banking services? Can I make deposits at ATMs? Is there a fee for using ATMs outside of your network? Can I deposit checks using your mobile app? Are there any penalties for closing my account? How often do you send out account statements? Can I access my account information over the phone? Do you offer any special accounts for students or seniors? What is the interest rate on your savings accounts? Can I set up recurring transfers between accounts? Are there any fees for transferring money between accounts? Can I open multiple accounts under the same login for online banking? Do you offer any investment products through your bank? Can I apply for a credit card through your bank? What kind of customer support do you offer for account holders? Can I customize alerts for my account activity? Do you offer any accounts with higher interest rates for larger balances? Can I make international wire transfers from this account? Are there any restrictions on who can open an account with your bank? Can I designate beneficiaries for my accounts? How do you handle disputes or fraudulent activity on accounts? Can I set up recurring payments for bills with this account? Do you offer any tools or resources to help me manage my finances? Can I apply for a loan through your bank? Are there any perks for long-time account holders? Can I make deposits in currencies other than USD? Do you offer any accounts with cashback rewards? Can I open a trust account with your bank? Do you offer accounts specifically for small businesses? Can I access my account information through third-party apps? Do you offer any accounts with no monthly fees? What is the process for updating my contact information on the account? Can I set up alerts for specific transaction types? Do you offer accounts with tiered interest rates? Can I link my account to budgeting software? Are there any limitations on the number of withdrawals I can make each month? Can I make mobile deposits of checks with this account? Do you offer accounts with rewards for debit card purchases? Can I open a custodial account for a minor? Do you offer accounts with perks for frequent travelers? Can I open a retirement account with your bank? What is the process for closing an account? Do you offer accounts with rewards for meeting savings goals? Can I open a health savings account, HSA, with your bank? Do you offer accounts with bonus interest rates for meeting certain criteria? Can I set up automatic transfers to my other accounts or external accounts? Do you offer accounts with no overdraft fees? Can I schedule future dated payments with this account? Do you offer accounts with rewards for referring friends? Can I order additional debit cards for authorized users on the account? Do you offer accounts with benefits for maintaining a certain balance? Can I open an account for a nonprofit organization? Do you offer accounts with rewards for loyalty points? Can I open an account for a trust? Do you offer accounts with free checks? Can I open a brokerage account with your bank? Do you offer accounts with discounts on loan interest rates? Can I open an account for a charity? Do you offer accounts with rewards for completing financial education courses? Can I open an account for a school or educational institution? Do you offer accounts with rewards for using digital banking services? Can I open an account for an estate? Do you offer accounts with discounts on safe deposit box rentals? Can I open an account for a homeowners association? Do you offer accounts with rewards for maintaining a certain credit score? Can I open an account for a religious organization? Do you offer accounts with bonuses for setting up direct deposit? Can I open an account for a political campaign or organization? Do you offer accounts with rewards for making charitable donations? Can I open an account for a sports team or club? Do you offer accounts with discounts on financial planning services? Can I open an account for a community organization or club? Do you offer accounts with rewards for eco-friendly spending habits? Can I open an account for a homeowners association? Do you offer accounts with discounts on mortgage rates? Can I open an account for a youth organization or club? Do you offer accounts with rewards for maintaining a healthy financial lifestyle?